channel, and today I'm going to be setting up my mini fish studio. There's a lot to do today. The children are at their last day of school for the year, my wife's at work, I've finished my work for the year, and so I've got a real opportunity to get this done, which is fantastic. Really looking forward to today. Really looking forward to getting this done so that I can then progress on to the next round of stuff. It's going to start off by, I need to get this back wall painted, and then whilst that's drying I can then start on woodwork, which is going to be a few battens and then my desk sitting on top. I'm going to reinforce it, put some leg structures in. I'm going to make an under counter cabinet here, blank off the sides, have a door that's on magnets that I'll be able to lift and remove and store stuff in out of the way with a shelf in it. I'm going to have another shelf above it, and that's where I'm going to hang a light all the way across, and that's going to light up 2 tanks. And then I'm going to have another shelf for further storage up there, and I might put another shelf up here, but that's probably going to be at a later date. And then on the my worktop, I'm going to have an aquarium in the corner. I'm going to have my 2 aquariums over here and here, and then next to that I'm going to have 2 more cube aquariums just there and there, and then here is going to be my little office area where I can do my work and make videos for you guys. And this is where it all starts off. I've got my main living room tank downstairs, which is doing really well. I recently rescaped it, and that's now settling in. The fish have moved in, and that's going well. I've got an idea for another aquarium downstairs, but we'll have to wait and see for the future about that one. But anyway, I'm getting distracted. Today is all about getting this wall painted and getting the mini studio set up. Enjoy. So I've just completed the first coat and it's looking pretty good. It's going to dry darker, I hope, but I think I'm going to need a second coat. These one coat paints always lie. So I'm going to have a quick cup of tea and then come back and have a look, see how it's dry and see if it needs a second coat or not, which it probably will do. And then we'll do something from there. That's the second coat on, finally done. I'm going to let it dry, and in the meantime I'm going to do some cuts for the boards and the battens. Maybe try and get them stained up, because I think this takes about 4 hours to dry, which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. We're getting there, And it dries quite a bit darker than this, which is great, which is just the effects I was looking for. So hopefully it's going to be a really nice backdrop to some of the aquariums that I'm going to build in the future. We'll see. It's all going well. Painting's done, which is great. I've decided I'm going to repaint the rest of the walls, but I'm going to do that later. I'm going to install the desk because I need to get going on this, getting that done. I've built the frame, the top frame, so that's my next job, is to install that, and I'm also going to need to install a few legs just to make sure that all the load is down. I'm going to have to work out how I'm going to do the feet, because there's carpet here and I need to make sure that it doesn't sink and compress, because that could then go out a level after a while, and we don't want that now, do we? So yeah, let's get the frame in. As you can see, quite a bit's happened since the last clip. It's been this festive season and I've struggled to get any real time on this, so I've been sneaking in, doing a little bit and here and there, doing the best I can. But to get you up to speed, I have made this out of ply, I've cut it to shape, rounded the edges, got it fitted, but I haven't screwed it down, so that's the next job. I've got a couple of other small tasks to do. I've done all the cuts on the ply, the rounding and the staining, but I need to work out how I'm going to fit my two shelves up there and my front and sides to this under desk cupboard that I've created. So still bits to do, but we're getting there. So let's get on, because I've got an hour until I need to get on with the family. So let's go. As you can see, I've all finished now. I've started bringing some bits back in and populating the area. I think it's looking really good. It's a really nice space to be in. It's still a bit empty at the moment, but I also have to work here too. So we'll see how that goes. But I've got a bowl that I'm going to set up soon, which I'm looking forward to doing. I've got another tank coming. It's going to sit here, same as that, and I'm going to fit a light above the two, a single light, and they're going to share the light source. I think we can get another, can we see that? Another tank here definitely, and then maybe another little cube in between that and the end tank. I don't know, we'll see, that's for the future, but definitely the bowl's coming and the next aquarium on the edge there, that's coming up soon as well. So 2 new projects on the way, and I'll get to rescape that one, which will be good fun as well. So I've got some ideas for these 3. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.